Hi, this is Antelope. Today I want to show you an easy background with inks. You can use a canvas or a superwood board. I haven't painted this. I'm going to use earthy colors. These plastic doilies that you can buy, I don't know where you buy them, but we buy them some places here in South Africa. So firstly what you do, if you've got your inks, I've got a transparent burnt sienna, I've got Antelope brown, I've got raw sienna, and I've got a flesh that I'm going to use my as a white. So firstly what you do is you're just going to spray the board lightly. You can use watered down acrylics as well. I'm just going to quickly get my other Antelope brown, just a moment. Okay, I couldn't find it, so I've got burnt umber here. It's almost the same color. You can spray a little bit first, just to let them spread. And remember, if you don't have inks, you can just use your acrylics. I'm just going to let them spread a little bit. I don't want them to be too restricted to one place. And then I'm going to drop in my flesh. You can see that it's going to give you a very nice lighter color. I just want to go up to the sides. And then all that you can do, you can use any color that you like. You can just do what you feel that day you want to do. And then I'm just going to drop this. Let me just put that one. Let me just see how many space I've got. Then I almost put all the ink on my table. I'm just going to drop it in there. Just make sure it lies flat. And I'm going to drop in that one. Maybe I must take it a little bit to that side, and then I'm going to drop in that one there. So just press it down and make sure it touches your canvas everywhere. And now you just leave it until dry. So I will come and show you how it looks when this is dry. I just want to show you this one beforehand. This is one that I made with this doilie. You can see the patterns and stuff. And I used purple and turquoise and a little bit of gold. And you can see it's got lovely texture. I did have a peek at this one. This one did not do that great. And I took it off too early because I put a fan on top of this and it didn't work as planned. But anyway, I think it can still make a very nice background. But you can see this one, that one is it's got a little bit more nicer texture. It does show better off against a white canvas. I did not prime mine, so but I didn't want a very loud background, if I can say it like that. I wanted something that can blend in with what I want to paint on this. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please, then I will see you next time, and you must have a lovely day and be safe.